Hello guys, welcome back to Tupikeafrikan YouTube channel where nothing tastes better than home food. So on today's episode we'll be making this delicious yummy pumpkin soup at the comfort of our home. Kindly subscribe to this channel if you haven't, and look at this soup guys. Look at this soup. The color is giving, the taste is giving, and also the consistency is giving. So let's taste this together. This is definitely a 10 out of 10. So let's.
So the first step is dividing your pumpkin into quarters, and after you've done that, now you're going to remove the pumpkin seeds using your hands. And please ensure that you keep your seeds well, because the seeds are very nutritious and you're going to use the seeds for a different recipe. Please stay tuned. And then after that, you're going to remove the pumpkin peels, and this is a very tedious process, but guys, it is very very much worth it. After that, you ensure that you rinse your pumpkins 2 to 3 times until the water is crystal clear. After that, just add in a little bit of water. That water, you're going to use it to boil it. And then now these are the ingredients that we have. We have some red onions, and then we also have some celeries, and also you grate ginger. And I've listed down below the ingredients and the quantity. So first, let your oil heat, never forget that, and then saute your onions for about 1 minute. Don't let it brown too much. And then you add in your celeries, let them saute too, and then you add in your ginger. But guys, always remember, after you put your ginger, remember that gingers usually stick on the pot, so always be keen. After you put your gingers, always be around. And after that, you put in your pumpkins, and then just a little bit of water. Let your pumpkins cook until they are this mushy. Okay, as you can see, our pumpkins are very very well cooked. So you can, if you don't have a blender, don't tense, you can eat them as they are. But if you have a blender, this is the final result. Look at that pumpkin, guys. That pumpkin soup really looks delicious. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't. God bless you.